Hello everyone, my name is Srishti and you're watching your own channel Shreyanshi Creativity. Friends, today in this video we are going to learn crochet scarf. To make this crochet scarf, I have used this yarn that is a pure wool yarn, and it is Vardhman wool I have used, and this is a hook that is 3.25 mm hook which I have used. So let's start the project. In that, firstly we will make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. After making 4 chain, we will skip our 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and in the 4th chain we will make total 4 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and this is our 4th double crochet. Now we will make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have completed our first row. For the second row we make 4 chain and then turn your project, and this is our first stitch. In that stitch we will make 1 double crochet. Now we will make 1 chain, and now we will skip this stitch, and in the next stitch we will work 1 double crochet. Do 1 chain. In the next stitch we will work 1 double crochet. Again 1 chain, and this is our last stitch where we have worked 3 chain. In the 3rd chain we will work double crochet. This is our 3rd chain. In that chain we will work 1 double crochet, chain, and in the same stitch we will again work 1 double crochet. Now our second row has completed. For the 3rd row we will work 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn the project. We don't work in that stitch, and in this stitch we will work 1 double crochet. Means over the double crochet we are working 1 double crochet. Now 1 chain, over the double crochet we will work 1 double crochet. This is our double crochet. Over the double crochet we are working double crochet. Now again 1 chain, over the double crochet do 1 double crochet, again chain, and over the double crochet we will work 1 double crochet. Now 1 chain. See, it's become like a square. Now we are at last stitch. In the last stitch we have made 4 chain, so we are going to skip this first chain, and in the next chain we will work 1 double crochet, chain. In the same chain we will work again 1 double crochet. See, our 3rd row has completed now, and it become like a V. So again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Turn your project. So in this stitch, this is our first stitch where we have worked 4 chain. In that stitch we will work 1 double crochet. Now work 1 chain, over the double crochet we will work 1 double crochet. One chain, again double crochet, over double crochet, chain, double crochet, over double crochet, chain, double crochet, over double crochet, chain, double crochet, over double crochet, chain. Again we have made here 4 chain, so we are going to skip 1 chain, and in the next chain we will work 1 double crochet, chain, and in the same chain we will work again 1 double crochet. Now our fourth row has completed, and you can see how nice and neat work it looks. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain, and then turn. In the next stitch, see, this is our stitch. In that stitch we will make again 1 double crochet and then chain. So we will complete our chain like 1 double crochet over the double crochet and chain, and then double crochet. Double crochet, chain, 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 and now we are at the end. So same, we will skip our first chain. In that, from here 1, 2, 3, in the third chain again we will make 1 double crochet, chain, and then again 1 double crochet. Now we have start working on the sixth row. Again we will make 3, and this is in this stitch we will work again 1 double crochet, chain, over the double crochet we are working 1 double crochet, chain, double crochet, over 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 double crochet, chain. So in the fourth chain again we will skip 1 chain, and in the next chain we will work 1 double crochet, chain, and in the same chain we will work 1 double crochet. Our sixth row has completed now. Again we will work 4 chain, turn. In this stitch same, again we will work 1 double crochet, chain, over the double crochet we will work 1 double crochet. So we will work double crochet over the double crochet till the end, same as we have done in the sixth row. We are going to skip first chain. In the next chain we will make 1 double crochet, chain, and double crochet. Now you can see I have completed my 7 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to change the pattern from the 8th row. Now we will make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then turn. Now this is our first stitch. This is our first stitch. In that stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and this is our second double crochet, and 3 chain we are counted as a double crochet. Now in the each stitch we are going to make double crochet. This is our first chain. We are not going to skip that chain. In that chain we are making 1 double crochet. This is our double crochet. Over the double crochet we are making double crochet. There is a gap. In that gap we have a chain. In that chain we will make one double crochet. Over the double crochet we are making one double crochet. In the chain we are making one double crochet. Over the double crochet we are making double crochet. So we are not skipping any stitch. In each stitch we are making double crochet. We do 1 crochet stitches in the next stitches, but before stopping the last 6 stitches. I will tell you how can you count these 6 stitches. Here we have worked 4 chain. So 1, 2, 3 chain we are counting as a 1 double crochet, and 1 chain also we are counting as a second stitch. So total in this we have a total 2 stitches. 2 stitches here, third stitch, 4 stitch, 5 stitch, and this is a 6th stitch. We are skipping these 6 stitches and we will work this pattern till here. To identify the 6th stitch, put a mark and do double crochet stitch in these all stitches. As you can see, I have complete this row. For next row, we work 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, turn the project and do 1 back post double crochet stitch in the second stitch of the last row. So insert the hook from the back like this and pull the yarn and do as a double crochet stitch now. 2:1 and again pull the yarn from the 2 loops. Now again in the next stitch we work 1 back post double crochet. So insert the hook from the back and pull the yarn and do as a double crochet stitch. So in this row we do 1 back post double crochet stitch in the next stitches, stopping right before the last stitch. I have almost completed my row, only the last 3 stitches are left. So this is third stitch and you can see this is third and only 2 are left, because 3 chain we are counting as a double crochet stitch. So in this stitch, in the second last, we will do back post double crochet stitch, and in the chain, in the third chain we work 3 double crochet stitches all in that same chain. Second double crochet, and this is third double crochet stitch. And now our row has completed. So in this chain, in the last stitch, this is the last stitch, in that stitch we do double crochet stitch, 3 double crochet stitch. Next row, and for this I have made 3 chain and then turn your project. This is our first stitch. In that stitch we will work 2 double crochet, and now this is our next stitch. In the next stitch we will work 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet, and again 1 double crochet. Now in this row we are making 1 double crochet in the each stitch, and we will complete this stitch until we will not reach here. We are making 1 double crochet in the each stitch. You will also complete your stitch and I will meet you at the end. Now as you can see, I have reached at the end of this row, and this is a 3 chain. We are not skipping this. In that, the third chain we are making 1 double crochet. Now we will make again 3 chain and then turn, and now in each stitch we are making 1 back post in the each stitch. As I told you, we are going to change this pattern from the 8th row, and with this pattern we will work total 6 row. And now we have completed our 3 rows, 8th, 9th and 10th, and we are on 11th row working back post double crochet stitch. So what we have to do now, we will work 11th and 13th row exactly same as 9th row, and 12th row exactly same as 10th row. So we will complete this pattern till 13th row and I will meet you there. See, I have completed till my 13th row and our pattern is increasing time to time. So we are start working on the 14th row, and in this our pattern are going to be changed. See, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. From 13th row we work back post double crochet stitch, and now work 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your project, and in the very first stitch, this is the very first stitch, in this stitch we work 1 double crochet stitch and 1 chain and skip 1 stitch. This stitch we are going to skip, and in the next stitch we work 1 double crochet, again 1 chain, skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch we work 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch and work double crochet in the next stitch. So we are going to follow this pattern till the end. One thing is change here, we are going to skip 6 stitches. 3 chain we count as a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put a mark over here to not get puzzled. Do this square pattern until you will not reach the mark. You can see I have completed this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stitches I have left. Now make 4 chain, turn over the double crochet, we will work double crochet, chain over the double crochet, we will work double crochet, and so same like a square here we have done. We will complete it till the last, but at the end what we will do I will tell you. So I'm going to finish this row till here. I'm at the end of this row. So 1 chain over the double crochet, we are making 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and this is our last stitch. Here we have made 4 double crochet. We will skip first chain. In the next chain we will work 1 double crochet, chain and double crochet. Now turn, again make 4 chain, the same pattern as we have done in this row, same exactly we are going to follow in this row. Again 1 chain over the double crochet, this is the double crochet over the double crochet, we are making 1 double crochet, double crochet over the double crochet we are making. Do the same for this row except the last stitch from the right end. Now 1 chain, and this first chain we are going to skip. In the next chain we will work 1 double crochet. Now again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn and then double crochet over the double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain double crochet. Now we are working on the 17th row. 17th and 19th row will be exactly same as the 15th row, and 18th row will be exactly same as the 16th row. Let's complete till 19th row. I will catch you there. I have completed our 6th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the next row, we are going to follow the same pattern which we have followed in the 8th row. 1, 2, 3 chain, and then turn. This is our first stitch. In that stitch, we are make 3 double crochet, because 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet. Now this is the next stitch, and this is the gap hole. In that hole we are going to make 1 double crochet. Over the double crochet we are going to make 1 double crochet, and then this is the gap. In the chain we are going to make again 1 double crochet. Over the double crochet we are going to make 1 double crochet, and this is our chain. This is row 20. It will be completed similar to row 8. Now on, follow the pattern same as we work from 8th row to 19th row. Keep working till you reach the desired length of your scarf. So minimum length for this scarf is 1.5 meter and width minimum 90 meter. I will show you one scarf I have completed with this pattern. See, this is the scarf which I have made, and this is 7th row, this is 13th row, and this is our 19th row where we have finished with the pink color. Now you can see we followed the same pattern row 8 to 19th row, and we will finish this scarf with the back post, double crochet stitch. And now what we do next, start from the top and do a slip stitch, and now we work 1 chain and do single crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch again do single crochet, next stitch again single crochet. So we are doing single crochet in each stitch, and we will complete this single crochet till here. Now I have completed this row. Now we are at the end. Here we have done 3 chain. In this first chain we do 1 single crochet. In the same stitch we do 1 single crochet again 1 single crochet. In this stitch we do, because it's a corner, so we do 3 single crochet. Now in this gap we do 1 single crochet, because here we have done 3 chain, or somewhere we have done double crochet. So in this gap we do 2 single crochet. See, 1 single crochet, and this is our second single crochet. So we do in all these stitches 2 single crochet. Now this is our next stitch, 2 single crochet. In the next stitch again 2 single crochet. See, our single crochet will be look like this. Now we are at the L shape. You can see in this L shape, this is the corner. In this corner we work 2 single crochet. Now it's time to turn in the same line. In this stitch again we do 1 single crochet. Over the double crochet we do 1 single crochet. Here we have a 1 chain. On the chain we do 1 single crochet. over the double crochet we do 1 single crochet. Here is another 1 chain because we have created 4 chain here. So for the 1 chain 1 single crochet, and now for the corner we work 3 single crochet in the same chain. Now work 2 single crochet in the next stitch. See, our design will be look like this. So we will do single crochet in this all stitches like L. We have a L shape here. So in this L shape we work single crochet, or at the corner we will work 3 single crochet, and we will complete our single crochet till here. This is the corner. In this corner we work, in every corner we will work 1 single crochet, and in this line we have no any L shape, so here we will work only single crochet. In this corner we will work 3 single crochet, and I also complete my single crochet in all stitches. You also do same. As you can see, I have completed my single crochet in each stitches, and this is the corner. Here I have worked 3 single crochet, and our scarf is ready now. And see how it looks, and it looks very neat and pretty. So friends, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can share this pattern with your friends and with your families. And thank you so much for watching, friends.